Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. In my case, Opera browser. When all of your apps are ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, click on Apps and Notifications. Select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser. Now just tap on your new downloaded one and confirm your choice by tapping on Change in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!